Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be folding this simple boat-shaped bowl. For this model, I'll be taking 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter square sheet of paper which has double color. First, I'll be folding into half and bringing two sides to the center crease. That is called as cupboard base. Now, turn the paper and bring these two sides to the center crease as shown. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now fold the model into half as shown. Push this flap to the sidewards. Then fold this triangle down and make a crease. Do the same thing on the other side. Fold a small triangle in like this. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Open the flaps and fold as demonstrated. Origami boat shaped bowl is ready. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.